At first, this looks like a simple police response, but seconds later, everything changes. Deputies arrive after receiving information about a wanted suspect. The man is already on a motorcycle, which immediately raises red flags. A fleeing motorcycle can turn deadly within seconds. Officers position their vehicles to block any escape. Clear commands are given. This is the moment that decides everything.
Stop resisting!
I'm not resisting!
Get on the ground! You're gonna get...
I'm not resisting!
Stop pushing up!
I'm not!
Stop! Stop!
I can't breathe!
You're gonna get tased again! Put
breathe.
your arm behind your back!
I'm trying to, y'all!
No, you're not! Get back! Get back!
Babe, call my mom!
Instead of stopping, the suspect keeps moving and ignores instructions. In law enforcement, non-compliance changes the entire situation. A chase is dangerous not just for officers, but for nearby civilians. To prevent escalation, a deputy makes a quick decision. A taser is deployed as a less lethal option. The goal is control, not punishment.
Right,
Can I please sit up? Please, can I sit up?
Yes, in just a second. Sit your feet up.
Babe, pull the bike in so they don't impound it.
Back? No, get away from the bike.
No, it's my yard.
Get back.
Stop. I'm not.
Get in the car.
Sir, fucking stop.
You're gonna stop fighting.
I'm not. I'm trying to talk.
Coming.
Sir, can you please stop? Can you please stop, sir? Can I talk to my people? Can I talk to my people?
Get in the car.
Sir, can I talk to my people?
Even after going down, the suspect continues to resist. During the struggle, bodycam equipment gets knocked loose. At the same time, another individual enters the scene. He attempts to remove items, including police equipment. Officers immediately respond and issue firm commands. Interfering with an arrest creates serious legal consequences.
Don't touch anything. Put it down. Put it down. This is my yard. Put it down. Put it down. You fix it.
Will you put me down for stand up, boy? Stop. What's wrong with you? Do it. This is my yard.
Get the fuck out of my yard!
Get up though, sir. No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
Stop. Stop.
I am, sir, but what's been doing to me, man? For no reason,
No,
sir.
I told you to stay back. You grabbed the body camera and started
I
taking
know,
off.
I don't even have your body camera,
No,
man.
I got it from you.
Boom, sir.
Stop.
I can get your
Stop. Stop.
All right, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Stop.
All right.
All of this is for nothing. Now you're going to cop a charge.
Well, I'm going to get a charge for I didn't even do nothing.
You got any weapons on
man.
you? You got any weapons on you? Just back up. Bud, you got any weapons on you?
No, man.
Both individuals are eventually detained and secured. Further checks confirm the motorcycle was reported stolen. Additional charges follow based on evidence and actions at the scene. This footage shows how quickly situations escalate. Police decisions are often made in seconds, not minutes. Understanding these moments helps explain real-world law enforcement actions.
Subsequent investigation. We obtained the video via an open records.
Driving oncoming traffic.
This traffic stop looks routine at first, but officers are trained to notice what most people miss. The driver's movements, the delay in responses, even body language. All of it matters. During stops like this, officers don't know who they're dealing with, which is why they stay cautious from the first second.
Are at the end of the video.
Come on. Hey, which car was it? That one right there? All right.
All right?
Yeah, I'm good. All right, I'm out. I'm code 4. I'm trying to get to the other vehicle. Stop! 205 Adam John 7597. Adam John 7597. Yeah, my elbows. Pretty.
I'm so sorry.
As the interaction continues, the officer begins to recognize warning signs. This stop is no longer just about traffic. In many cases, impaired driving or hidden items can quickly change the risk level, and officers are trained to slow things down and stay in control.
My car wouldn't stop in the snow.
Yeah, driving oncoming traffic, smart. I gotta get your driver's license, man. You heard it all?
No, I'm not.
Any airbag deployment or not?
No, I'm here going to work.
All right. All right, man. Yeah.
So sorry.
All right. Here's what I'm gonna do. Hey guys, you guys go ahead and step off the road. You guys come this way. Hey, just stay there. All right. 205. We're gonna need next on list for both mine and the vehicle that struck me. My vehicle's gonna be in a ditch. Pension!
I am.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
This is where decisions matter most. The officer must balance safety, legality, and control, all within seconds. Every command given here is meant to reduce risk, not escalate it. Compliance at this stage often determines how these situations end.
205, 43, my other driver, no airbag deployment, declining injury. I have a minor injury to my... Where'd the flashlight just go? Everyone got over, far enough over. I was continuing. He was going too fast. Didn't want to rear end the car in front of him. They were trying to get over. He decided he's going to use the middle lane to try to avoid colliding, and they're right into me.
Are you injured?
Left elbow, because he hit right in the door side, just jammed my elbow in, but I can hold off for now. And so his car's told, no DL. He's still in the car. I told him to wait there. No DL, just a valid driver's license.
No DL?
Yep. Yeah, he's on his way to work, but he said no DL.
So he doesn't have it on him, or he doesn't?
No, it doesn't have one. Yep. I'll grab a camera.
After assisting to control the scene, the officer was treated for minor injuries on his left side, which occurred when the other vehicle drove into a squad car. The suspect driver continued to remain on scene and cooperated. The driver received tickets for several infractions, including operating without a valid license, operating without proof of insurance, and driving too fast for conditions.